Hello guys, today I will be showing you the unboxing of my newly arrived MSP 430 launchpad from Texas Instruments. Basically MSP 430 is a 16-bit low power microcontroller from Texas Instruments, which is gaining popularity among the students, hobbyists and do-it-yourself community. So let's see what it has inside it. Inside the box there is a quick start guide which will guide you to all the necessary requirements in order to get started with MSP 430 board. Means the required software, driver installation, etc, etc. Even there is a demo application given by the Texas Instrument itself, so you can have a look at it. There is the best part of this mic MSP 430 is that it has on-chip temperature measurement provision, so there is no need to connect any extra sensor for temperature measurement, and the demo application of internal temperature measurement means the required code has been directly flashed into the chip, so you can just plug into a computer and you can see the required result for the temperature measurement. This is how the actual board looks like. It has one microcontroller, two switch, one for reset and one for general purpose use. Then the port pins are given on both left and right side, so in order for the purpose of IO operation. Then this is the USB circuitry as well as the emulation part. This board is basically divided into two parts, the actual microcontroller board and the emulation part. The emulation part is only required for the purpose of debugging. The jumpers are given so that we can isolate our microcontroller board from the emulation part. This is the another microcontroller which is used for the purpose of debugging, and this is basically a USB to serial converter which is used to transfer program from our computer into the microcontroller. So let's see what it has more inside it. This is the USB cable which is used to connect board with our computer. It is basically a micro USB which is different than our regular USB. And yeah, that's how our board communicates with the computer with the help of this IC, the USB to serial converter. This is the additional microcontroller given inside the board, which has different specification than that of the microcontroller given on the board. The required architecture, data sheets and additional information can be downloaded from the official website of the Texas Instruments. It has one microcrystal which is used for the purpose of clocking, which we can solder it to the board, and a buck strip for the purpose of IO operations. For the purpose of IO operation, the buck strips are given, which we have to solder it at this point. Buck strips are given so that we can solder at this point so that required IO operation can be performed. And at last but not the least, the stickers of MSP 430 are given. And this is all about the unboxing of my MSP 430. If you have any question regarding it, please ask that question in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video I will show you the actual demonstration. That's it.